Alright, so this guy shows up at my house asking me questions about my landlord's garbage. I told him I wasn't trying to kick it and I don't want to talk to him. He got real upset, called police, and pressed charges against me. So it gets to court, and the prosecutors changed 3 times, the charge changed 3 times, and they ended up landing on a blight ordinance violation. I had Judge Andary, Jennifer Andary, out of the 42nd District Court. This charge had nothing to do with drugs. There was no alleged drug use. Judge Jennifer Andary imposed a bond condition. I was to drug test randomly 3 times a month. In each drug test, I had to pay $18 if I could pee a sufficient amount that wasn't diluted to their standard. If not, there would be further charges. If not, a failing test would result. Contrary to Michigan's Court of Appeals decision that confirms no court penalty shall be imposed with the complying medical marijuana patient, I was ordered to stop using medical marijuana. I ended up getting a really cool court-appointed attorney. His name was Noel. He was ready to take the case to trial. I clearly couldn't abide by the unconstitutional bond conditions the judge imposed. Therefore, I was unable to have a fair trial and fight my case in court. I was basically bullied into accepting a plea agreement that was offered to impeding traffic by the prosecutor. Even after pleading responsible to impeding traffic, the judge went on a rant talking about how she was inclined to hold me in contempt for my utmost disrespect to the court for continuing my medication, my legal medication, and disregarding an unconstitutional order. My public defender saved my butt on a technicality to where I was arraigned on a civil infraction to begin with. The charge was amended after that in order to meet the criteria for bond conditions, but at the time, the judge had no authority to impose bond conditions on me at all. I ended up having to pay about $500-600 for taking my garbage out and almost spent 30 days back in MCJ.